Hi there. Today I am going to present user of accounting information. Yesterday in my previous video I have explained what is accounting, what is purpose of accounting, why accounting is important for the business, what is the financial and managerial accounting, what is importance of financial and managerial accounting and how they are different from one another. So in my today's lecture I am going to give you full detailed lecture on users of accounting information. So let's start with my first slide, which is user of accounting information. The ultimate goal of accounting information is to considerate information that is useful and effective for decision making. So basically the point is that accumulation of accounting information help to considerate information that prove helpful in decision making. So let's know who are the users of accounting information. Accounting information categorized in two types of users. One is internal user and the second one is external users. Let's move on the explanation of internal users. Internal users are users that are exist within the organization who use financial information to make day-to-day decisions. Internal users of accounting information are those who are engaged in planning, organizing, and controlling and decision-making matters. They need full detailed information on timely basis to make their decisions meaningful and fulfilled. Here the point is internal users basically are management from top level to lower level who run business activities. They need each and every type of information on accurate time, and due to time management in decision making make decisions more effective. Internal users include managers and other employees who use financial information to confirm past results so it become helpful in making appropriate adjustment for future activities. So the main point is that time decision making on time make decisions more effective. It help in making appropriate adjustment for future activities. Basically, accounting provide guideline and standard that help internal users to prepare their decisions more effectively and present balance sheet, cash flow, and income statement more appropriately. Here it shows importance of accounting information that I have explained in my previous video in more detail. Internal users include owners, managers, and employees that we know as I have explained it above. Now let's move on the external users. External users are those users who exist outside of an organization who use financial information to make decisions or evaluate entities means organization performance. Here financial information become useful in evaluation of organization performance. External users are those individuals and entities who do not engage in managing or doing the business, but they are interested in financial information of company. Basically, external users are not involved in running business or managing business activities, but they are only interested in evaluation of organization financial circumstances. They are not involved in any decision making of business, but they can engage themselves in business as creditors, trade creditors, investor, etc. External users include investor creditors, governmental auditors, regulatory agencies, trading partners, stakeholders. So the main point is that they are not engaged in any business activities, but they can engage themselves in business as creditors, investors, and the various other governmental auditors, regulatory agencies, trading partners. So the main question that is arise is that why external users interested in accumulation of accounting information? Now I am going to explain why external users are interested in accumulation of accounting information. Here I am not in the mention it in my slides, but if any of you want it in my slide, then write it on comment box. So I want to know, and we want to know why creditors, government auditors, investors, banks or lending institutions, stockholders interested in accumulation of accounting information. So the answer is that why creditor why creditor interested. So the answer is creditors want to know financial stability of company that help him in lending decisions. Why investor? So the answer is before investing his money, his money. The investor want to know company profitability, valuation, and the risks of his investment. Because investment depend on the financial statement published by companies to assess the profitability, valuation, and the risks of their investment. Government need accounting information to know effect of its policies on business and economy. Okay, and the auditors look all financial statements to ensure that all the financial reports made according to the accounting standards. Stockholders have also right to know how the company is managing its investment. Banks and the lending institution also also use accounting information to guide decisions such as whether to lend or how much to lend a business. So at the end, I want to tell you it's my struggle for all the beginners and the other students who want to know accounting basics very conceptually. If you have any query, please ask me on my comment box. Thank you.